Hey, this is Joe Lobo, man, and I'm with Handyman Jose Reyes and BB up Scotty, and Jose is taking down his.
We should have done it 4 years ago.
With this saw, Jose, what saw are we using? We're using the Worx. The Worx. Look at that.
Yep.
A Worx electric 14-inch.
14-inch electric chainsaw to take this tree down.
We should have done it 6 years ago.
But
Yeah,
I know
we're
why
done.
you didn't.
Doing a great job, Jose. Keep up the good work, Jose. You're doing a great job. Yeah, Jerry. Yeah, that's right. Godfather didn't want the tree taken down.
Highway's always coming to fuck something up. Son of a bitch coming working even when he's dead. Fucking asshole.
Jose, we're live on YouTube.
Oh, my bad.
And Godfather was.
Don't worry.
Godfather's gonna curse you at night.
Oh, I'm gonna get
As
that.
long as he takes it to his house with him.
Because we don't know where the tree's gonna fall, so
Oh,
Godfather's gonna be laughing at us from up above.
he's already laughing at us?
He's gonna laugh at us from up above. He's gonna say, "Ha! It fell on the house. Fell in the cellar." What a great work, Jose.
Are you ready for Tim?
Not yet. I have to grab him yet.
That's why they call him Handyman Jose Reyes, because he is handy with everything. Working a 14.
Go that way, and I'm gonna see if I can't find my little dad's little sled.
Remember, he's a professional.
No.
You're a professional, right, Jose?
Oh,
Do you know what you're doing, Jose?
Me? I have no idea. No, sir.
I have absolutely zero idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm confident with my crew right here. We're gonna get things done,
Oh, yeah.
right, Jose? Man, that tree's.
Joey didn't even see
Yep.
that.
I didn't expect you to take the tree down.
I did not expect that to happen when I went to the store.
What? To come back
Come back to this?
Yeah.
Look at the professionalism of Jose.
Yeah, buddy, we don't want that tree falling on us.
Yeah, don't worry if it falls on the trailer. It's all good.
No, it's not all good.
Not right there. There's a TV right there.
Okay.
My TV's on that wall.
Yeah, yeah.
My TV just started working again, Joey. I'm good. I want to keep it that way.
Okay, I got you.
Stop calling Jerry over.
I do not have to sit there and only watch a quarter of my string at a time.
Okay, let it hit the shit then.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, it's all good.
I don't particularly want it to hit the shed either.
Oh, okay.
Not
Well,
that
that's
one.
because we got the skills. We got the skills of Jose. Everything's gonna
I'm not
go.
worried about it.
Everything's gonna go exactly as planned.
Yeah, the other one definitely would.
What action? What excitement?
You know what? Once he's done with that, I'm going to tear out the trunk.
Well, once that's out, I need the key so I can do my other video on 2022 lawn care setup. But we're gonna see this
What do you mean kick it?
so I can show the world my equipment
Oh, for
for my next video. Yeah.
You need key for your shed? I got you. I can do that right now.
Okay, hold on. We gotta see. We gotta watch this tree fall.
Oh, no, not yet.
It ain't gonna fall yet. It ain't even close to that yet.
It's past the 4:15 mark. You know, I can't keep an audience longer than 2 or 3 minutes. It is all the way up to 4:15.
Yeah, I would go with the next video on that one. That makes sense to me.
Yeah, because nobody will watch it past
Right.
4 minutes. Yeah, even see. Yeah, it's agreed. My videos are that bad.
No, the videos are not that bad.
Yeah, they
The
are.
attention spans are.
Yeah.
And my videos. And my channel.
We're just waiting there, trying to happen. Okay, nothing's gonna happen. Well, gotta go, Joey. Bye. Next.
Look at the professionalism of Jose, man. It's out. It's just. Who taught you these skills, Jose?
You did.
Not me.
I learned it from you.
Me?
From watching you.
Yeah, we learned it from Joe.
Really? I think he's lying right there, ladies and gentlemen. You know. But we'll see.
No one else you didn't do at Walmart, Joey?
Ah.
Make a key.
Okay. Yeah, we're working on that too.
It's only like $2.
Okay.
$1 something. For a basic key. Oh!
Get wobbly, Jose.
Don't wiggle that like that, Jose. It's wobbling.
Check the shim. What happened?
I said,
It's
I
wobbly.
said don't wiggle her too much like that, especially with you on that side of it. She's wobbling.
Ah.
Okay, watch yourself.
Okay, Jose, here we go. Jose, every time you come over here, you're just doing something.
I didn't even click this one.
It's still stuck
This
in the
way.
middle somewhere.
On this side. Is the edge on the back side. Move it forward. Yep. This piece right here.
Looks good.
Oh, good. Probably wiggle her down.
Yep.
Hold it. Hold it. Got it? It broke it down.
Okay, get out of the way, buddy.
Yeah, you're in the wrong spot, man.
Timber!
There it is.
There it is. Good job, Jose.
Thank you, sir.
Look at that.
Learned it from the best. Joey the lawnmower man.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Hey, by 40-foot tree with an axe, but you know.
Yeah.
And I topped out a 40-foot tree with a 14-inch Worx chainsaw, but that's another
Yeah, slice it.
video.
up
So
and down.
this is George Joe Lawnmower Man with Jose Beam Me Up Scotty, and we'll catch you in the next exciting episode. All right. Okay. See you guys later.
See you guys later.
Later, Gators.
Take care.